Hello kids, my name is Miss Morsariya Devanshi. I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today what we are going to do? We are going to learn and solve the exercises together. Right? As we have already done the explanation of the chapter in the previous session, we today are going to solve the exercises together and check your answers. Right? આપણે લોકોએ ઓલરેડી લર્ન કરી લીધું છે રાઈટ વી હેવ ઓલરેડી લર્ન ધ થિંગ્સ ધેટ આર ધેર ઇન ધ ચેપ્ટર ઇન અવર લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર સો ઇન ટુડેઝ લેક્ચર what we are going to do, we are going to recheck and solve all the exercises together so that you can tally your answers. राइट आप अपने आंसर्स टैली इस तरह से कर सकते हो दीदी के साथ सॉल्व करके. राइट सो shall we move on to that? Shall we do that? Yes. Okay, so the first question that is given in your textbook is tick the correct answer. Right? सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आप लोगों की टेक्स्ट में जो है वो क्या है? टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. सो इन लोगों में हमने क्या करना है? हमें क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से रीड करना है. क्वेश्चन रीड करने के बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग ऑप्शंस को देखेंगे. ऑप्शंस में से जो सही ऑप्शन हमें लगे उसको हम चूज करने वाले हैं. राइट so that is the thing that we are going to do. First we are going to read the question thoroughly, then we are going to see the options thoroughly, and then we will check out whether which is the correct answer or not. Right? So the first question is कच्चा houses are not made up of. कच्चा houses किस चीजों से नहीं बने होते? Right? So the first option is mud. They are made up of mud. Right? Yes. Then straw. They are also made up of straw. Straw means dry grass, not the straw of drinking. Right? And the third one is cement. So for me the correct answer would be cement. Kacha houses are not made up of cement. They are made up of straw, mud, and stones and everything. Right? They are not made up of cement. So C will be the correct answer for us. Then the next question, shall we look on to that? Apartments are also known as. Apartments को हम और क्या कह के बुला सकते हैं? Flats, bungalow or stilt house. Flats, bungalow, stilt. The correct answer would be flats, right? Apartments are also known as flats, right? Then the next one is houses in warm places have dash roof. Houses जो warm places पर होते हैं उनके रूफ कैसे होते हैं? स्लोप्ड होते हैं या फ्लैट होते हैं? फ्लैट होते हैं. राइट क्योंकि स्लोप कहाँ पे होते हैं? जहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है, ठंड होती है, बर्फ गिरता है तो वो इजीली साइड में गिर जाए. तो इधर कौन सा हो गया? फ्लैट. राइट. then the next is dash is not a house on the move. इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा घर है जो मूव नहीं करता, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता नहीं है? ऐसा हाउस कौन सा है? टेंट. We can move tent with us, right? Then carva, we can go in that, right? We can move along with that. And the last one is bungalow. Bungalow है एक ऐसा घर जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जाता नहीं है. So the correct answer will be bungalow. Right? So this is the first question. I hope you all have solved it very nicely and are very much thorough with it. Right? Now let us solve the next question. Let's do that. Okay, so now we are going to solve the second exercise, that is identify and name these houses. Now we all have learned the meaning of identifying. Identify means किसी चीज़ को जानना. राइट अब गुजराती में આપણે લોકો કહીએ તો ઓળખવું. right? So that is the thing we are going to do. By looking at the picture, you have to find out what is the type of the house, what is the house here. Right? So here the first picture is given in which you can see that there is snow. the house is made up of snow. So what do you think? Which type of house is it? It is igloo. You all are correct at your place, right? You can see that the house is made up of snow, right? So it would be which type of house? It would be igloo, right? Then the next picture is of a van. You can see that it is a big van. So which type of house it is? It is having wheels, so that means that it can move, right? So it is a caravan, right? What is it? It is a caravan which we can move in with, right? हम लोग भी उसके साथ साथ move कर सकते हैं from one place to another, right? So these are the two types of houses that we have seen. Want to see the next one? Want to check out the next one? Let's do that. In the third picture, you can see that there is a support of wooden structure, right? So below, so what can you see? Which type of house it is? It is a stilt house, right? Because it is having a support from below and it is above from the level of the ground. That means जब बारिश आए पानी भर जाए तो इस हाउस को कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा नहीं, क्योंकि वो ज़मीन से क्या है, ऊपर है थोड़ा सा, right? So it is a stilt house, right? And then the next one is a house on water. So which is a house that is there on water? A house that is on the water is called houseboat, right? That will be the correct answer. So I hope all of you are able to recognize and identify the pictures that are given to you and write them down nicely. So this was the second exercise of yours. Now we are going to go and learn the next one. Let's do that. Okay, so as we are done with exercise B, now we are going to solve the third one, that is C. In third question, what you are supposed to be doing? We are supposed to be looking at the picture and decoding it, right? We have to look the picture very carefully and answer the questions that are given here. So the first question is it a kacha or a pakka house? You need to look at the picture very carefully and then we need to give it the correct answer, right? So which type of house it is? Is it a kacha house or a pakka house? It is a pakka house because you can see that it is a bungalow, right? It is having a strong wall. It is made up of, cement, bricks and everything. So it can be which type of house? It can be a pakka house. Then the second question here is it strong? ये टाइप के हाउसेस जो है उसे हम स्ट्रॉन्ग कह सकते हैं? Yes, as it is a pakka house, we can say that it is strong. So the answer to the second question would be yes, right? So with this, it is the end of our third question. Now what we are going to do is we are going to solve our last question, right? So let us move on to that and learn the question.
Okay, so as we said, we now are going to learn the question answers, right? So here the question is, how is a kacha house different from a pakka house? How can we say? There are so many ways in which we can say a kacha house is different from pakka house. There are so many points, right? Kacha house is temporary house. Pakka house is permanent house. Kacha house is not that strong. Pakka house is very strong. Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, stones and pakka house is made up of cement, bricks, steel and stuff, right? So there is a difference between both of them, right? There is a difference between both of them. Any one point you can write. You can write any one of these points, right? Then the next question is, what is an apartment? An apartment is a type of house which has several floors.
अपार्टमेंट क्या है? एक ऐसा टाइप ऑफ हाउस है जिसमें अलग अलग कई सारे फ्लोर्स होते हैं, राइट? अपार्टमेंट इज अ टाइप ऑफ हाउस विच इज हैविंग सेवरल डिफरेंट फ्लोर्स, कई सारे अलग अलग फ्लोर्स जो है वो होते हैं, राइट? देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ इज अ इग्लू अ स्पेशल हाउस? इग्लू को हम स्पेशल हाउस कैसे कह सकते हैं? इग्लू एक स्पेशल हाउस है क्योंकि हम उसे कोल्ड जगहों पे ही पाते हैं। वी आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इग्लूज एवरीवेयर, वी ओनली फाइंड देम एट वेरी कोल्ड प्लेसेस जहां पर स्नो गिरता है तब। एंड दे आर मेड अप ऑफ आइस एंड स्नो। वो किससे बना हुआ होता है? आइस और स्नो से बना हुआ होता है, राइट? इट इज मेड अप ऑफ आइस एंड स्नो। देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज What kind of house do you like and why? आपको किस तरह का हाउस पसंद है और क्यों? That answer you need to give by your own. ये आंसर आपको खुद से ही देना है, right? With this, it is the end of our exercise solving. हमने 4 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए. First, take the correct answer. Second, identify the picture. Third, decode the picture and answer the question. And fourth one is answer these questions. ये सारे questions हम लोगों ने solve कर लिए हैं. I hope you all are now very much thorough with the chapter. Place to live मतलब house, right? सब लोग कहाँ पे रहते हैं? House में रहते हैं, right? और house का मतलब क्या होता है? House एक ऐसा घर जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं. Now there are 2 main type of houses. There are how many types of houses? 2 main type of houses. One is kacha house, another is pakka house. Kacha house is made up of mud, stones and straws, whereas pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, steel, etc. So there is the difference. Kacha house is temporary house. बारिश आए और तूफान आए, ऐसा कुछ आए तो वो गिर जा सकता है. वेयर इज पक्का हाउस इज परमानेंट हाउस. ये सारी चीजें आए तो उसमें उतने ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. कच्चा हाउस इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, पक्का हाउस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, राइट? सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट कच्चा हाउस इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, पक्का हाउस जो है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. देन वी लर्न different types of pakka house. We have seen that there is a bungalow which is having a huge house, which is a huge house, बड़ा house होता है और उसमें कई सारे rooms होते हैं. और अपार्टमेंट जो कई सारे फ्लोर्स पर होता है. और क्या होता है उसमें? फ्लोर्स अलग अलग होते हैं और एक फ्लोर पर कई सारे अलग अलग घर भी होते हैं, राइट? दैट इज कॉल्ड अपार्टमेंट. अपार्टमेंट को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? फ्लैट्स भी कह सकते हैं. देन वी लर्न अबाउट रूफ्स. हम लोगों ने रूफ्स के बारे में भी पढ़ा कि गर्मी वाली जगहों पे फ्लैट रूफ होते हैं जिससे क्या हो, उस पर उतनी गर्मी की असर ना हो. बारिश वाली और स्नो वाली जगहों पे स्लोपिंग रूफ्स होते हैं जिससे क्या होगा, स्नो और पानी जो है वो गिर जाए, उस पे जमा ना हो जाए, right? So that is the type difference that we have learned. Then we learned that there are so many things we need to take care of when we are in the house. We need to open up our windows so that fresh air हमारे घर पे आए, sunlight आए, हमें अपना घर क्लीन रखना चाहिए जिससे हम हेल्दी रह सकें, right? And then we learned that there are special type of houses too. Which are they? Stilt house and igloo. इग्लू और स्टिल्ट हाउस एक ऐसे हाउस है जो जगह के हिसाब से बनाए हुए होते हैं. कोई ऐसी जगह हो जहाँ पर बहुत बारिश हो रही हो तो उधर स्टिल्ट हाउस होते हैं जो सपोर्ट देते हैं जिससे क्या हो, जो पानी जो नीचे भर जाए तो हमारे घर में वो घुस जाए नहीं. और इग्लू एक ऐसा घर है जो हम स्नो में पा सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड इट इन स्नो ओनली, राइट? जो बर्फ से बना हुआ होता है. तो बर्फ से बनने के लिए बर्फ तो चाहिए होगी, तो बर्फ वाली जगहों पे भी हम इग्लू देख सकते हैं. Then we saw that there are such type of house which can move as well. हमारे साथ साथ घर भी मूव हो सकते हैं। ऐसे हाउसेस के बारे में हमने देखा और लर्न किया। कौन से है वो हाउसेस? हाउसेस है टेंट, हाउस बोट एंड कैरवान, राइट। टेंट एक ऐसा घर है जो हम अपने बैकपैक पर लेकर घूम सकते हैं। उसको फोल्ड कर कर बैग में रख सकते हैं और फोल्ड कर कर उसमें रह भी सकते हैं। टेंट कैनवास मटेरियल से बना हुआ होता है जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है और क्या होता है, वाटरप्रूफ होता है। जिसपे हम पानी डालें तो वो उससे बिगड़ता नहीं है, राइट। सो दैट इज द टाइप ऑफ हाउस दैट वी लर्न अबाउट, राइट। And then we learned that there is houseboats as well, which can move on water. कहाँ पर मूव हो सकता है? वाटर में मूव होता है। ऐसे हाउस कहाँ पर बने हुए होते हैं? बोट के ऊपर बने हुए होते हैं, right? That is also we have learned. And then the last one is कारवा. कारवा, we can see it in different manners, right? कारवा is a thing that we can move in with, right? हम भी उसके साथ मूव हो सकते हैं। वो एक वैन टाइप चीज होती है जिसमें बैठकर हम लोग मूव हो सकते हैं। इट इज वेरी नाइस। उसमें बेडरूम भी होता है, छोटा सा बाथरूम भी होता है, छोटी सी कई सारी चीजें होती है जिसपे हम बैठकर जिसमें हम जा सकते हैं, राइट। सो दैट इज द थिंग दैट वी हैव लर्न। और हमने बाद में क्या किया? एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की, जिससे आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो है वो और क्लियर हो जाए, right? So these are all the things that we have learned in this chapter. I hope it was a good thing for you to learn, and you are very much clear with all of these things. So this was the session of your today, kids. Until we are seeing each other next time, what we are going to say? We are going to say bye.